Hello and welcome to this lovely property. Call or text us right now at 530-2056760 for more info. Traditional rustic cabin in the woods with that old-time knotty pine interior. Outside it has lovely private views off the front deck. Inside it has the warmth of the knotty pine walls and ceilings, all locally milled back in the day. ATT Uverse high-speed internet available and currently installed. Terrific location in peaceful Sierra City, gateway to the Lakes Basin Recreation area and the Yuba River. Easy walk to town, restaurants and shopping. Plenty of off-street parking and huge carport with shop. Cool bonus room on ground level with another fireplace, perfect for a study or extra bedroom. Start making memories here. This is home of world-class mountain biking and fishing. Short drive to Graeagle and championship golf courses. Easy access to Reno, Truckee, Squaw Valley and Northstar skiing. Plenty of storage for all your recreational toys.